Welcome to Terry's Diverse Horizons, a place where we explore faith, history, culture, and the big questions with honesty, wit, and sometimes a dose of uncomfortable truth. If you find value here, I humbly ask that you share these videos with others, because knowledge and understanding grow when they're passed along. And don't forget to subscribe. Your support helps this channel reach more people and keeps these conversations alive. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for watching and being part of this journey. Stay safe, stay strong, and above all, stay humble. In this video, we'll explore Islam's global push, which didn't start in 2025. It's been marching on for centuries. The mission? Simple. Everyone must bow, or else. And while this agenda screams loud and clear, guess who's whispering in the corner? Yep, Christians. Some so quiet, they might as well be cheerleaders for their own erasure. Today on Terry's Diverse Horizons, we're tearing into the hypocrisy, the silence, and the dumb ignorance that's helping Islam rise while Christianity sleeps. Buckle up. This isn't Sunday school. This is reality. At number 1, the long push. Let's be honest. Islam's push to install itself as the only acceptable faith isn't a 2025 project. No, this has been a centuries-old campaign with one mission. Everyone bows, or else. The slogan might as well be, one God, one prophet, one law, whether you like it or not. And yet, somehow, it's presented as peace. Peace, of course, defined as everyone shutting up and converting.
Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today.
At 2, the hypocrisy of tolerance. Here's the kicker. The very ideology that cries intolerance when you question it is the same one persecuting Christians, Jews, Hindus, Yazidis, you name it. In Muslim-majority nations, churches are burned, Bibles are banned, and speaking freely about Jesus could land you unalive. But when Islam spreads into the West, suddenly it demands rights, tolerance, and respect. Hypocritical? That's not even strong enough. That's like a wolf demanding vegan options while devouring the sheep. At number 3, the silent church. Now, let's talk about the elephant, or should I say the lamb, in the room. Christians. Some Christians are so quiet, so loving, so eager not to offend, that they don't realize their silence is helping build Islam's platform.
Hello, good to see you.
You too, how have you been?
Instead of standing firm in truth, they hide behind the "we mustn't judge" excuse, while Muslims have zero problem declaring Christianity corrupted and Jesus reduced to a sidekick prophet. It's hypocrisy in reverse. Muslims shout, Christians whisper. Guess who wins? At 4, dumb silence. And here's where it gets painful. Some Christians are straight up dumb about this. They think that by being silent, by playing nice, they're protecting peace. Newsflash. You're not protecting peace. You're paving the road for Islam to dominate. While Christians stay stuck on turn the other cheek, Islam is busy turning the whole world into one giant mosque. And finally at number 5, the real stand. If Christians don't speak up, defend their faith, and refuse to bow to this aggressive push, then Christianity will keep shrinking into a corner while Islam spreads like wildfire. The hypocritical irony? The same Christians who stay silent now will one day cry out when their churches are gone, their faith is outlawed, and their children are forced to pray toward Mecca 5 times a day. So, here's the takeaway. Silence is not holy. Silence is not peace. Silence is surrender. And if you think you can sit this one out, congratulations. You've just joined the Enablers Club. The world doesn't need quieter Christians, it needs bolder ones. This has been Terry's Diverse Horizons. Share this video, subscribe, and let's build a voice that refuses to be silent. Because when Christians stand silent, Islam stands taller. Stay safe and be humble. Till later.